Hi guys, so this video is being filmed really spontaneously and weird, and I don't really even know how I'm going to do it yet. I don't know how I'm gonna set this whole thing up, if it's gonna be multiple videos or just this one. But basically, you know, it's May 2nd or 3rd today, and I was like, you know, before summer everyone's always like, I need to get that summer body. But I don't really care about that portion of it. But I have been eating extremely unhealthy lately, and I think it definitely has to do with my mental place, you know? I think whenever you eat unhealthy, it puts you in a bad place just in general. It makes you feel really groggy and kind of moody because you aren't putting good stuff into your body. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get on a health kick. I'm gonna start meal prepping. I'm gonna you know, get into healthy eating. But just a disclaimer. My dog's barking. Okay, so a little disclaimer. I'm not doing this for summer body. I'm just doing it because it's in the atmosphere. Everyone trying to eat healthy. My dog is slurping their water right now. Oh my god. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be doing it too, but not for the weight loss or summer body thing, but more so just my mental space and feeling good inside. So So I'm gonna start meal prepping my lunches, and I'm gonna see how that goes. I put a notes thing on my phone. I set up some stuff on Pinterest, and I have different ideas and recipes for what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna insert that on the side of the screen so you can see what I'm planning to do. Anyways, so it's kind of ironic because I am going. Anyways, it's a little ironic. Because tonight I am going to Torchy's Tacos. It's the last night of my Bible study semester thingy. So we're all going out to dinner and we're going to Torchy's Tacos. But I'm just getting a fried avocado taco, which can't be that bad. I'm not gonna get cheese though because I'm hella lactose intolerant. I switched rooms because I feel #awkward whenever I film in front of my parents. So I'm so excited to just see the whole progress of how I feel and stuff as I get up there, you know. And yeah, because I've been eating so unhealthy. So I was saying before my parents got home and I kind of stopped talking, but dairy makes my stomach hurt so bad. So already I am vegetarian. I've said that in my last what I eat in a day thingy. But I'm also lactose intolerant, so I try and be vegan whenever I can. But I really like cheese. Cheese makes me really happy when I'm sad, so I eat cheese sometimes. But besides that, I try and knock dairy out of my diet as well because it gives me the worst stomach aches, and I literally just cry because they're so bad. I don't know why I still eat it because it's painful, but I do. And literally lately I've been really wonky. I've just been so
They ask
sad
you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Moody lately and anxious, so I eat a ton of ice cream, and then it just makes me feel even worse because now I have a stomach ache, and it's probably messing with my head and because I'm not putting good stuff. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm just really excited to jump right into this. Oh girl, I'm about to die right.
No surprise, I'm about to dive in. Baby girl, hold your breath. We about to.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna go meal prep because I have to leave in an hour. I'm gonna be super basic and say, I sound like a teenage boy going through puberty. So it's Thursday morning. I'm getting ready for school right now. And oh my god, guys, I just had the worst dream last night. It was basically a quiet place, but rather than making noise, it was if you were rude to them. So they looked like humans when they came in. They were all really, really short and looked like kids. And then they would come in, and if you were rude to them, then they would turn into those monsters, and they would just really quickly kill you. It was so scary, and everyone just was dying. It was depressing. Now I'm scarred. For breakfast, I'm just eating half a cantaloupe because it's really early right now. It's 6 in the morning. So on school days, I tend to eat like a small breakfast because I'm not hungry this early in the morning. And then I'll just eat a bigger lunch and kind of snack on the stuff, so. Okay, so ugliest clip of food ever, but for lunch I just had this burrito bowl. It was really good. You're welcome for this low quality, romaine lettuce like definitely is recalled right now for E. coli, and like people have died, so wouldn't recommend it. If this video isn't even posted, then I'm probably having really bad diarrhea, but yeah.
I'm about to dive.
Alright guys, so it is dinner time now, and I'm gonna be eating these vegan sloppy joes. They are so good, and they're made out of lentils, and I know that kind of sounds weird at first. You're like, lentils as meat? What? But once you actually put it together, it tastes really good, and honestly I prefer it over sloppy joes. I used to not even like slurpy joes, but now I do because it's good. So yeah, the recipe is by minimalist baker. There's an airplane going over, so I'm gonna stop for a second. Nice. Still doing its thing. Okay. So it's really good, and also instead of 2 buns, or like, hold on. So like normally you would eat a sloppy joe as a sandwich with like 2 pieces of bread, but like I eat the amount of like meat that you would for 2 sandwiches. So instead of using like 4 whole pieces of bread, I'm just using like 2, but like, like the amount for 1 like bun, if this makes sense. The recipe will be linked down below if you are interested in trying it out. It's really good and you should try it out. Also, down below I'm going to have like a lot of the recipes I'm making and just like snack ideas, just like helpful little tips that anyone would want after watching this. So yeah, just check out my description and you will see that there's another freaking airplane. Oh my god. Okay, so at the beginning of this video I said I was gonna like do this whole thing totally differently and like take it week by week, but I talk a lot, and day 1, this is me filming, day 1, still, this video is like 8 minutes long, and that times 7 would be a lot of hours watching me just like eat my food and talk about being healthy. So I thought I would split that up into things like every couple days and like update y'all and like give you like the foods that I'm eating rather than a really long video every single week. I don't know. But yeah, since these videos are kind of easy to film, it's just me taking shots of my food and then like talking about it and then like making jokes because like that gives them the audience like some of like me. I'll probably be able to get up other videos within this month as well, because obviously like this whole thing isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but for some people it is. And I don't know, I'm really excited. I'm already feeling super good and energetic, and I feel like this is gonna go really well, and I'm excited to get back in the groove of being healthy. And yes, I feel like I'm forgetting to say something. It's fine. I'll see y'all in a couple days with whatever else I'm doing, so bye. If you're wondering what I'm eating for dessert, it's strawberries. I'm about to go make it. That's simple,